but they have this machine that instantly heats food, which is basically a modern.
The
replicator. Well, I don't know if it's the replicator or it's just something that makes the hot food. I mean, the replicator doesn't necessarily heat it, right? So there's this cavity where I want some chicken soup. They push a button and hot chicken soup comes out.
Okay,
I count that like as a microwave oven.
That's the original Star Trek.
But is that not a precursor to 3D printing?
Well, the replicator is a precursor.
Yeah, the replicator, I would say.
The replicator would be the 3D printing.
Yeah.
So that